Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove space in Excel cell. So first thing is just simply go ahead and tap on your keyboard Control H. Now here on the find what, just simply make sure to have a space bar or space. So I'm gonna tap the space bar. So we have one space over here, as you can see. And now just make the replace with empty and just simply go ahead and select replace all. And from here, we should be able to remove all the spaces. Now, if you have a name, something like this, guys. So for example, this one has a space. What you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to the next cell that you have, and you could just simply type in equal trim and then open parenthesis, just simply select this one and close parenthesis and enter. And from here you will have the more organized cell, which it don't have extra cell. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.